Hey yo. Shit. I'm on any side of the town. I don't know what the fuck you talking about, man.
Mano.
Let that shit ride, move. Keep all this shit, you heard? Black Soprano family, nigga. Look, I still got good morals. Remember what the old heads taught me. I pray to God my actions in the streets don't come back to haunt me. All these risks for my kids, hope they don't pick up the wrong things. Mama know I'm in some street shit, so I pick up when she call me. Listen, I got more beef, so we cop more toolies. The ops know we more sturdy and got more goonies. I told her get what you want from MK to Louis. It's getting real spooky. Grown man, yours truly. I know the feeling when I make my first 10,000. Tell my nephew Bob, gotta keep the shit in-house. If you get hit and you don't snitch, homie, you kept it 10 down. You sit and your bitch hold it down, she kept it 10 down. Canceled all my friends out, then I pulled the bins out. Staring at the skyline, sitting in this penthouse. Plugs reaching out, but I don't wanna sit down. This year, no handshakes, I'm giving fist pounds. They always see the wins and not what I lost. But no, for my family that I give it my all. Bobby, I wish that I can give you my arm. I pray to the heavens, hope that you can hear me, God. I done had good women, then I lost them hoes. Couple of them hate me still, cause they know that I'm a rolling stone. I was always on the go, I be holding my chrome. Now them bitches sick, cause they scream this La Mano shit across the globe. Look, the same hand that I used to shoot the jumper with, the same hand that I gotta count the numbers with, the same hand that I gotta shake the runner with, the same hand that she want me to finger fuck her with. I'm married to the streets, I married my jeans. My shooter sniffed the yayo shit, he can barely speak. Listen, I stacked a quarter, then I made a quarter. We ain't squashing shit, motherfucker. Why you think I pay these lawyers? What?